Hello guys, and welcome to another video of How to Tutorial channel. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can make your image an animated type, or you want your image to be look like a cartoon. So in this video I'm gonna show you full tutorial of how you can do that. It's a simple and easy way. So you need just only an Photolab app, which is available on App Store or Play Store. You can download it from there. This technique works on both Android and iPhone. So let's begin this tutorial. So first of all, if you are using Android, go to your Play Store, or iPhone like me, so you will go to App Store and search for the app and type Photolab. Yeah, you can see this is the icon and this is the app. It will appear on the first. Just install that. I have did it already. Now here is the app. So first, for the first time when you will open this app, it will say that subscribe GoPro or subscribe to the app for to enjoy more features. So if you want to subscribe that, then you can do it. It's depend on you. I'm just if you don't, then just cross this page, and then you can see some options here like categories, Father's Day, feed, cartoons. It is up to trends, So what you have to do if you want to make your cartoon image, so you can see that here it is written that AI cartoon. Just tap on that, and then I want my cartoon. Yeah, now you can see different effects here. You can choose which you want. I prefer you should choose this one. So I will select an image like this is an image. You can see it's Roman Reigns. So if you want to make this look like a cartoon, then select it and click on this arrow button. Then just wait for a few seconds. It is processing, and now you can see that it purely looks like a cartoon animated image. So this is so easy and simple app to use. So you can easily use this and you can make any image look like a cartoon or animated. So now if you want to save it in your gallery, just tap on this button and go and click on this menu option and then save image. Now this image has been saved to your gallery. Yeah, here you can see this. So it is so easy. So hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you like this, please tell me if you are able to do it or not. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.